Welcome to the Community Webline training video. For those of you that are new to Community Webline, want to get yourself orientated, the first video would be for you. This one here though is how you would change your marketing material, and we'll show you the various features that are available to you on your Community Webline site. First thing you need to know is the login address. And the login address is bridgeland.ca/myadmin. And it's at that point you would put in your email address if we set it up for you, where you have permissions to go in. In this case, we have set up a little site which is for the most part empty. So it gives us lots of chance to practice and to show you what Webline can do for you. The login is cwl demo at rbnet.ca. So that is the email address, and I'll just plug that in. There we go. And then the password is CWL Training. So go CWL Training. Hopefully I spelled that properly, and you just press on login, and there you are. So as you can see here, we have a little video available to you, or just plug right in and begin to try things out. We go over to listings, and the listing is refers to the CWL demo site. In your case, when you have your site set up with Community Webline, then it would be your particular site that would be indicated here. So just going through the menu bar, the first thing we need to have a look at is the basics page, which is the default page we come into. I'm just going to go into Webline here to the demo site so you can see how it actually looks to the public. So I've gone up to the search bar here to find the site. So CWL demo. Oh, it's come up for me already. So I just press enter, and that gives me the demo site as a choice. I click on that, and here we are. As you can see, it's for the most part it's empty. But what we have on the basic page is what you see here. Let's go back to this particular page. If you change address, telephone numbers, contact information, anything of that nature, this is where you change it. So that's fairly simple. The next part is the About page, which really is, when you look at your site here, it's the main page. And that's the default page that anybody logging into the site would have a look. So the main page, as you can see here, all it has is the hours of business, which is an option. You don't have to put that in, but that was entered on the initial setup. Next thing is, if we go back, we can begin to plug in some information here. You can put in most anything. You can go with text. So I'm going to just do a hello world, and then I'm going to I'm just going to make that a little bigger so I can increase the font size. In this case, I've made it a 5. And I could also put in any particular picture, and the way you do that is you come over here to the menu bar, and it says insert or edit an image, and I'm just going to click on an image. Now I have all kinds of images available, but these images are specific to particular sites. So we would set up a folder for your particular business, and that's where you would go in. Now in this case, I'm just going to pick how about we pick RBN? A fair bit of material there. And I'm just going to put this particular image in, and as you can see, I have various options here. I can go to appearance, I can change the size, and this is in pixels. I can change where it's located on the page under alignment. I can take it to the middle, like to the top. I can put it anywhere. In this case, I'm going to put it in the middle, and if I want to edit the spaces, horizontal and so on, I can do that there. Over here, generally I don't use that a whole lot, other than the fact that you may, when the mouse goes over the image, you may want to have a particular message indicated. This is where you do it. You would click on here. So here we are editing the image, and in this case we could, if we wanted to have a text image or a text appear when the mouse goes over the particular image, then we can indicate it there. Mouse in, mouse over, mouse out. So in this case, I guess I better drop in a particular picture. We use this. Once again, I would like to put it in the middle. Insert. There we go. Yeah, didn't go in the middle. So I use the text over here, or I use this this alignment bar over here to bring it over. And I'm just going to save that. Then let's go have a look at it on the demo site. See what we did. Refresh. Incidentally, I'm using Google Chrome as my instead of Internet Explorer or anything else. You can use any browser that you like. I just prefer this one. So there we are. There's the image, and there's the text. So that's the start. Now, one of the things that are very useful is to, some folks like to use the image gallery. Now the image gallery simply allows you to upload a file. In this case, you're uploading off of your hard drive, and in my case, I'm going to have to go find some images to upload. So let me just go. This is, oh, excuse me. This is looking at my hard drive, and I have to float around to find where I put some images. So I'm going to go under. I'll go back to World Business Network. Or in this case, I'm going to use RBN Health. I've got some images there. So this here, I'm going to drop in this particular image, and I'm going to put a caption in: research and development. Save it. Now in this case I put in a PNG, I guess. You really should be using, let's save that. I'm going to refresh this, see what our galleries look. Now the image is going to look a little funny in the gallery because I really should have used a JPEG. Images coming off your cameras will be JPEGs, so you don't need to worry about that. So there's the first image. It's all distorted because it was a rather small file. Let's choose another one, see if we can do a little better. Let's try this one. Well, these are all PNGs, so let's go somewhere else. Yeah, we'll use something from Nancy Acker. Just get some great stuff there. Try this one. This is a rather large file. Just going to say Nancy. The caption. And let's go back and have a look and see what the image gallery's done. So it's resized the image, which is nice, and there it is here. So you can keep building up images, and it's nice just to use that feature there. Another thing you should have a look at is under specials and coupons. Now, this here is very useful if you're going to offer something to get the public attention for a particular product or item, get them in your store or get them in your online store. So in this case, I'm going to set up a special which we'll call December Special. And so we'll post it today's date. It's the 10th in the year 2012. This will soon be out of date, won't it? And we'll say we'll keep this going till January 31st. And now we'll choose a file. If we wanted to put an image, it might be a flyer, it might be an advertisement. We could use that, and up it would go. Or if we don't have an ad or image we want to use for our special, we can put in a description. So we'll say widget on sale, half price. And the terms are until January 31st. Now, the nice thing about this feature is that you don't have to worry about taking the special down. It'll automatically come off the system. So I'm going to save that. It'll be good from today until let me just do a refresh on our site so we can see that we do have our special. Okay, so there it was. There's the special. And if somebody were coming onto your site, they'd find it there, or some people come on the site just looking for specials, and they'd find it by going to the specials page. In this case, we'll just have a look at what we put up there. There's the December special, and we have an icon which could be printed and presented to you, or simply give an indication as to what the you may just keep it online. If you from your demo site, we had set up the contact information. You could put more in that, and it would automatically come into your ad. That is a very effective way to get your ads up in a cost-effective way, because you can just keep on changing your ads, and you can do multiple ads. You can have many different ads in your for your business. That's it for the moment. We'll have another video that you can explore some additional features. I want to thank you for your time, and enjoy Community Weblog.